Hey guys, welcome to this section where we're going to talk about the anatomy of a pipe and drape system. Because pipe and drape systems actually consist of 4 different basic components. While all of the systems may appear to look the same, they have many different parts, and if not paired with the right system, it actually will not assemble correctly. In this video, I'm going to give you a basic overview of the essential parts needed to complete a system. Now, uprights are typically aluminum pipes. They could be fixed or telescopic, meaning they can be adjustable. And they actually have heights ranging from 3 feet all the way up to 26 feet. This is a unit right here that's actually adjustable, and it's a 3-piece unit. It is adjustable from 6 to 14, meaning it has 3 different pipes, and at its maximum height, it maxes out at 14 feet. Now, fixed uprights are actually one long vertical pipe, and it cannot break down into smaller sections or adjust in height unless you actually get the breakaway kits. And those kits actually snap into each other, but it's not as convenient as the adjustable. So again, telescopic uprights consist of 2 or 3 pieces such as this, and they are adjustable in height, allowing you a lot more versatility, so that way you can offer various designs at different pricing tiers. You're not locked in just one specific rate for your design. The Posh Basic Kit actually ranges from 6 to 10 feet, which means you can create so many different variations of a design, and you can price it accordingly. Now, base plates are actually used to support your uprights, and they can weigh anywhere from 6 to 62 pounds. This is your complete support system that provides all of the balance to your design. Now, if you actually need more weight, then guess what? You can use what is a weighted base. And if you don't have these, you can even use sandbags for extra security. Now, I always suggest if you're going to be draping outdoors, always use a weighted base or a sandbag for safety matters, because that's what's more important. Now, your third component is the crossbars, and these can actually be fixed or telescopic as well. These are your bridge between your 2 uprights to complete your basic setup. I also recommend adjustable crossbars since they give you more room to properly size the width of your backdrop, just like this. Your final component is your drape panels. Now, they come in a wide variety of heights, widths, colors, and different blends of fabric. There are so many important elements for your drape, and we're actually going to cover that in detail a little further in the course, because drape is the last element needed to finish the entire look of your backdrop, and again, it's a wide variety to choose from. So remember, there is so much to choose from as far as the makes and the models when it comes to your pipe and drape kits. So you want to choose wisely when you're making this investment in your business. We have actually created an entire line of Posh draping kits to service your draping needs, so you don't have to figure it all out on your own. So now that you know the anatomy of a pipe and drape kit, let's just see how to actually put it together properly. I'll see you guys in the next video to see this demonstration.